happy 4th, and today we're gonna be, you already guessed it, we're gonna be lighting one of these bad boys up. It's gonna be my second time in my lifetime I've done this, so hopefully it'll look good, and it'll be my first time having it on like my channel. So other than that, we're just gonna capture this moment, see how that goes. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Huh?